Hey guys, it's Mokshali and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So guys, today's video is all fun because in today's video I'll be reviewing the products for the first time which I got from Nykaa's Pink Friday sale. All the products which I have purchased from Nykaa's Pink Friday sale are for the first time and I always wanted to buy those products. If you guys want to know the review and my opinion on the products, then please continue watching. If you're new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will always be notified when the new video comes. And just without blabbering much, let's get into the video. Hey guys, so we are going to start with cleanser, and for the cleanser I have got Himalaya Refreshing Cleansing Milk. This is a cleansing milk, and what you have to do is you have to just take on the cotton pad and just wipe it off all over your face, and then you can just wash it off or you can go with the toner. So this is the first time I am using this. I have just used on my 1 or 2 clients, so yeah, I thought we'll just go for this one. So yeah, we are just going to use this. So I have cotton with me. I'm just going to take some on the cotton pad and we'll just wipe it all over the face. We'll just clear the neck area as well. And yeah, guys can see, by far I feel it is gentle on the skin and it doesn't make your skin more drying. It also maintains the moisture in the skin, which I can see. So yeah, it is a great option to try if you are a beginner and if you just want to have a cleanser. It also clears your makeup, which is a great plus point. By far I like this product. Guys, after cleansing the face, we need a toner to maintain the pH balance of the skin. So we need this Biotic Bio Honey Water Toner. It is a pore tightening toner and it is good for the skin. Basically it tightens the pores, and it has blend of honey, aloe vera, manchester, nutgales, carrot and the fresh waters that are found in the foothills of Himalaya. So it has very good blend of products in it and it is 100% Ayurvedic. So I just wanted to try this. So what we are going to do is just take some amount and we'll just go all over the face. What I have observed from this toner is it gives me slightly tingling effect near this cheek area, and rest of the face is fine, but I don't know why it is giving slightly tingling sensation. My skin is sensitive, so in that case you guys can do is, if you have also sensitive skin, then please patch test near this area and then you guys can go for the toner. That it is a good toner. I just need to use few times more so I can tell you guys properly how this toner works. Guys, after the toner we need that very good hydration for the skin, and for that we need that perfect moisturizer which can give us a very nice hydration throughout the day. Yes, I'm just talking about one of my absolute favorite, which is Pond's Superlight Gel Moisturizer. This is my second tub and I haven't shown you guys that I have purchased this moisturizer from Nykaa's Pink Friday sale because I was using this moisturizer throughout like 6 months, and yeah, this is like my go-to moisturizer. It also has hyaluronic acid and with vitamin E, which is great for the skin. So I'm just going to use this moisturizer. I'm just gently massaging into my skin. Guys, the texture of the moisturizer is so gel based and so smooth. and you guys can see that's why I love this moisturizer a lot. Also, whatever skincare I'm using on my face, I'm also applying on my neck, so it does the job well. The moisturizer, we are moving with the face makeup. First product, which is a primer. So we are just going to use this Nykaa's Prep Me Up primer. This is a really nice primer and I have just used in my previous video. I'll be just taking, I have just took this much amount of the primer, and yeah, I am just going to apply near the nose area, and also I'll be applying on the nose. Guys, the texture of the primer is so smooth. It's like super nice. It just absorbed into the skin and you guys can see it gives a very nice finish. As a first impression, the primer is really good. It gives you a very nice finish on your skin, so the makeup glides very easily. Guys, I am back with a full face foundation and concealer, as I haven't took any new foundation and concealer. In the previous Nykaa haul, I have already took foundations and concealer, so we are directly moving with the loose powder, and this time I have took the best loose powder which is affordable. I took this Maybelline's Fit Me loose powder, and this is in the shade light medium. I heard so much good things about this loose powder. It works like magic. It is so finely milled and it just applies very smoothly, so we are just going to try this loose powder. So I have just took loose powder in the cap and I am just going to apply under my eye. Also, I'll be applying on the laugh line area. Loose powder is so finely milled and the hype is totally worth it. You guys can see how nicely it has applied on my face. So yeah, with a fluffy brush, I'm just going to take it off the baking. Yeah guys, I have just dusted off the baking and you guys can see how nicely it has set the under eye area. So now we are moving with the contour, and I have a really nice and a very handy and a travel friendly palette which is from Faces. It is their All-Time Pro palette, and you guys cannot imagine that it has a contour shade, a blush and highlighter. So we are just going to use these three shades for the rest of the face, and firstly we are going to contour the face. So I am taking this precise brush from Wet n Wild and I'm just going to contour. Basically, it is a proper shade for your that very nice sun-kissed look. Now we are moving with the blush, and for the blush, I am just going to take the same shade from the palette and it is a really nice blush shade. It is a proper pink blush which you guys can see over here, but the color is very nice. It is pigmented, so you just need to take the smallest amount and just apply on the apples of the cheeks. Now we are moving with the third shade, which is the highlighter, and I'll be using the same highlighter. and you guys can see the glow. Guys, this is super stunning. The highlighter shade is also really very nice. It is slightly on the champagne and the golden shade, but I think it will suit most of the skin tones. And yes, I am just blown by this palette. Like, it is so superb and so stunning. It is so sleek that you guys can directly put into your purse and you're good to go. So I highly recommend this palette. Guys, now we are moving with the eye. So the first thing which we are going to do is we are just going to fill the brows. Artisto Blue Heaven Styler. It is a brow styler and it has a pencil on the one side and it has a spoolie on the another side, so you guys can just comb your brows and fill your brows. That's it. Guys, we'll start filling the brows, and for first thing we have to just comb the hair in the upward direction, and now we'll start filling the gaps. And I hope till now the brow is looking super subtle. It is not looking that much bushy and dark, and yeah, it is a perfect kind of a brow pencil which I need, as I have never used a brow pencil. I was just using the L'Oreal Brow Artist Genius Kit, but I just like how my brow has turned out. All in one, that it is a great pencil. It is just for 150 rupees or 100 bucks, so what you can expect more. It does the job also really very well. I'll just do the another brow and I'll be right back. So yeah guys, the brow is done and it is looking super simple and super natural. So I like the Blue Heavens brow product. If you are a beginner, this will help you to do your brows. So now guys, we are moving with the eyeshadow. On for the eyeshadow, I have just got this Nykaa Sundowner Stunner eyeshadow palette. I am going to use the shades for my eyeshadow today, and it has a really nice warm tone shades. So yes, let's get started. So for the crease, I'm just going to take this very light shade. This is a very light shade, so it is perfect for the crease. So the next shade I'll be taking is this rusty brown shade. This is looking super nice. So I'm just going to take on the another fluffy brush and dust it off the excess. And just apply below the light shade. Guys, this shade is a very nice nude peachy shade, so you guys can just apply this eyeshadow and just leave it like that, so it will give you a very nice nude color eyeshadow on your eyes for your daily look. This is literally matching my outfit and I'm just loving it. Guys, now I'll be taking this very nice mauve brown shade and I'm just going to apply on the outer corner of my eye. So guys, for the center of the eyelid, we are just going to take this shade. This is a very nice champagne pink shade, so I just wanted to try this. Wow. And I'm just going to apply on the center of my eye. I'm just blending everything in so everything looks more seamless. For the lower lash line, I'm just going to take that very nice brown burn shade and just applying. This palette is really very nice. It has all the shades which you need. It has the warms to brown nudes to the shimmer shades to the lighter shades, which is great for the crease and all over your eyes. So this is an all-in-one palette and I highly recommend this palette to you guys. Moving with the mascara, and for the mascara I have got this Maybelline Hypercurl mascara. So this is a good mascara for daily use. It gives you a very nice volume lashes. So yeah, you guys can see it gives you a pretty nice volume, a decent kind of a volume which you can use on your daily basis. This in the washable variant, so you guys can remove your makeup and your mascara and this will just wipe it off easily. So yeah, this is also a great option for your daily use. Lastly guys, we have a lipstick for this look, and we have this very nice Masaba X Nykaa collection lipstick which is in the shade Killing Me Softly. Just show you guys, it is a really nice pink brown mauvey kind of a shade. It is great for the daily use. Just apply and show you guys. So yeah guys, my final review on this lipstick will be, first thing is the packaging. The packaging is super nice and decent. When you apply the lipstick has a creamy texture, but when it dries out, like basically after 5 to 10 minutes, it has a velvety kind of a texture, and yes, it dries out matte, like not a total matte finish, but it has that very nice velvety matte finish, and the color looks also very nice and decent. It is a regular wear color. All around I like the shade of the color, and the texture is also really very nice. So yeah guys, this was it, and I just have told you my opinion and I have just given you my review that how this product works. So there will be this thing that all the products which I have bought for myself will be suitable for my skin tone or according to my skin type. So you have to just keep in mind, you have to just read the description and then you guys can go and purchase for yourself, because sometimes what suits for me doesn't suit for you. So just keep in mind. This was it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please hit the notification bell so you will always be notified when the new video comes. And yes, I'll see you in the next video guys. Bye bye.